Best survival foods for hurricanes, floods, and tornadoes. When hurricanes, floods, or tornadoes strike, access to fresh food and clean water can vanish in an instant. Power outages and disrupted supply chains make it vital to keep a stockpile of survival foods that are safe, nutritious, and long-lasting. Choosing wisely ensures energy and resilience when emergencies unfold. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Canned proteins. Tuna, chicken, beans, and salmon are dependable sources of protein. They last for years and often come in easy-to-open cans, requiring no refrigeration. 2. Nut butters. Peanut or almond butter provides healthy fats and high calories in small portions. A spoonful delivers quick, lasting energy without preparation. 3. Energy and protein bars. Compact and portable, bars are excellent for situations where cooking is impossible. Select nutrient-rich varieties for sustained fuel. 4. Freeze-dried meals. Lightweight and simple, these meals only need water to prepare. They are perfect when cooking appliances are unusable. 5. Shelf-stable dairy. Powdered or evaporated milk offers calcium and protein. Cheese spreads in sealed packaging also stay safe without refrigeration. 6. Crackers and whole grains. Oats, granola, and crackers provide filling carbohydrates that store well and pair with canned foods or nut butters. 7. Dried fruits and vegetables, packed with vitamins and fiber, these enhance nutrition while remaining lightweight and long-lasting. 8. Electrolyte drinks and powders. Storms often limit clean water supplies. Electrolyte mixes help restore hydration and vital minerals. Stocking the best survival foods for hurricanes, floods, and tornadoes prepares families for the unexpected. With a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and hydration aids, survival food storage ensures safety, strength, and peace of mind when natural disasters strike. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.